Guys, make sure to stay until the end. It could be super simple fix. Don't waste your money on diagnostics and parts that you may not need. Please make sure to stay until the end. We'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW. These newer BMWs, if you have one of those and you have a problem where you have transmission malfunction warning, you wonder what causes that now guys. Okay, let's talk about that. We'll share information that most people overlook. They spend thousands of dollars on diagnostics, parts, tools, transmissions, reprogramming modules that they don't need in some cases, not always, but in some cases it may be super simple fix, and we'll explain what we see quite often in the garage. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. We take almost every car apart that we get here at the garage. We make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos on it. We work on transmissions, engines, fuses, relays, codes, almost anything you can think of. And if you guys need to buy parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, we'll share the information in the video for your convenience. So let's start on it now. So guys, now when you have transmission malfunction warning light on your BMW, the first thing that people do is they get it on the scanner and see what codes they get. But what you want to check when you get the scanner is see if you have battery voltage related codes. Because often you may have battery voltage related codes that the battery was under voltage, and that could indicate your problem immediately. Now, the first thing when you suspect you have electrical problems, malfunctions with your BMW, you need to guys test the car battery, and you need to do it the correct way, because people will often make a mistake and that mistake can cost them thousands of dollars. Come here and I'm gonna show you something. This battery here, guys, what we have now. Okay, as you know, BMW, Mercedes, they use H7, H8 and H9 batteries quite often. They're interchangeable on many models, but this battery, okay, if you check it, voltage is 12.61, indicates really good voltage, so that tells us it's a good battery. We charge it, right, and it tells us it's good. Now that battery was giving us troubles for over a year, close to 2 years. Even though it started the vehicle with no problem, we had all kind of electrical problems, and I want to show you here, okay, when you put it on a battery tester, how it tells us the truth about the battery. Testing a battery should be only done with battery tester. It indicates 12.56 volts. Battery test here now. AGM plated battery. Code cranking amps is the measuring unit, and it's 800 rated battery. The test itself doesn't take more than 20 seconds every time we've done it, and it indicates bad battery. We have only 121 code cranking amps out of 800. Internal resistance is at 20, health of the battery is 2%, the charge state is 93. So what we recommend, charge your battery, test it guys, and that would give you exact idea if everything's good with the battery. Always first do the battery, because these modern vehicles, they have computers, electronics, modules. Some of those BMWs have more than 40-50 different modules that communicate with each other. They require quite a bit of power. That's why these batteries, like for instance on most newer BMWs, are H9s, which are humongous batteries guys. That's why you need it, especially having the start, stop and go automatics, start and turning the engine on and off at traffic lights. You need even bigger batteries. So always guys test the battery, because it could be simple fix. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.